There are several ways to explore the Cancun Underwater Museum, MUSA. These include scuba diving, snorkeling, and a glass-bottom boat tour. As the galleries are located in different places, you will need to plan ahead regarding what to see and when. Also, snorkeling is not available in every gallery. Most sculptures are located at depths of up to 25 feet, making scuba diving easily the best option for exploring MUSA. It is recommended that visitors are comfortable swimming in open water. However, it's not necessary for visitors to have had prior diving experience. A diving license is not required. The one I chose included driving a speedboat and snorkeling to see some of the sculptures in the underwater museum.